Hey YouTube, just wanted to do a fast review of this Hooke Road center console lockbox. Let's start with the good. Yeah, I do like that the thickness of this material that they sent it. A key for reference. It's pretty thick, so yeah, give it a little shut. It feels pretty hefty. Now, the shit I don't like. You see that tiny little screw? That takes a precision screwdriver to drive that on. Now, and I get that they did that because they're just trying to create some support, and it probably doesn't even really need this. And in my case, I'm actually not going to connect it because when you go and you put it on, not only does it take, it's kind of a pain in the ass to get that bolt that bolt lined up. It's close, but you kind of got to fight it. But more importantly, I just don't feel that there's a lot of thread depth that you get with the stock screw, and they don't actually supply a longer screw to fasten this in. So that's one complaint. I feel like this and this and this could have all been connected one way or another, and just one piece and bent on a break, and not have to weld anything from a factory standpoint and just ship one piece like this. And then you've already done everything to bend this, assemble all this shit for the top piece separately. So why are you making your customer assemble something that should be pretty much 2 bolts out, 2 bolts in, and you don't have to worry about 2 tiny little bullshit fasteners. And then in this case, I won't, because I'll just simply remove it and then either upgrade to a higher quality box later, or maybe modify this a little bit since the price was right at about 40 bucks. So considering it, I don't feel that the fit is necessarily super great. You can see there's it's kind of hard to catch it. There it is. That's not too bad, but right here in the corner, actually this will be easy. You can really see the fit and finish on it. So not 110% loving it, but it'll keep my kid who's 1, and my other baby who's on the way in the future out of my stuff for now. And just a simple smash and grab situation. It just gives me that one extra layer. Now the key itself, I don't know about this lock, how necessarily strong even that'll be. I'm sure, like most locks like these kind of setups, if there's a will, there's a way. I'm sure there's a couple ways I could easily see this thing being broken into if you just had to get in it. But again, this is keeping honest people honest and kids safe, or just curious kids out. All right, thanks for your time.